Hey everyone, Damon here. I just want to show you my little setup that I have here on OBS. I did my first presentation using OBS over Teams today. I think it went pretty well. The recording didn't quite work out. It crashed at the end. I pushed the wrong button, so that's my fault. But I just want to give you guys a bit of an overview of what I use to set up. So first thing first, I have a number of different scenes in OBS that I use. Let's go to that one. So right at the beginning over here, I have a timer that I can set for any time that I want. So for instance, if I want to set it for half an hour, or for 2 hours, whatever, doesn't really matter. It's a small timer app that I'm using on Windows, and then I just cut out the frame, and then I have that at the beginning of the screen. So the second scene that I have in OBS is main screen over here. Up in the top, where is it? Yeah, up over here. You can see that that's a little box which I will have my head go up over there. Yeah, up over there. Afterwards, once I switch off the main intro screen, and then I go into the actual presentation. So next scene is the presentation, and you can see now I'm up on top over here, and down over there is the presentation. Right down over here, I have a section that is essentially an Excel spreadsheet that I can use in order to show my progress along the way. So I can go X, X, X. Yes, I did that. We covered those specific things, and then over into the presentation itself, go through this, yada yada yada. So presentation, that's all good stuff. So my next screen the next scene that I'm going to show over here is when I'm going to go into a demo. So I took the recommendation to make my demo page a lot cleaner. I think it looks quite good. So then I managed to crop out all of the web browser business, so all you can see is just the actual screen itself of the demo page. You don't have any Chrome tabs or anything else like that, so it's a lot cleaner, easier to navigate around when you crop that stuff out. So the next section that I'm going to show over here is one of my favorite sections, which is actually the whiteboard section. So I got camera 2 right over there, camera 1 I got right over there, camera 2 right over there, camera 1, camera 2, and then I've got my whiteboard back over here. I found I got to write really large in order for the camera to pick up. Maybe I need a better camera, I don't know, but it kind of worked out well. When I was doing the whiteboard stuff, instead of drawing it all on the fly, I ended up using this thing so I could actually block out that section so you can't really see it. And then once I go through all of the things up over here, I can do the big reveal and then talk about this wonderful stuff on the bottom over there. So that is camera 2, camera 1. All right. Then lastly, I've got another section over here. So if you have any other chat things that you want to have on here from Zoom or Teams can pop up over here. What I end up doing when I was on the session is, even though I'm screencasting my entire screen over here, I was able to pin somebody else's video up in this section. So when they're talking, I could bring it up on here, and everybody could still see their face, as well as my face here in the corner, with the whole border around the top, the bottom over there. So I'm able to stay in control of what gets presented on the screen, and whether I'm going to be in large screen like this, or whether I'm going to be in a small screen like this. And it's really easy to switch in between the different ones. All right, that's all I got. Thanks, guys. Bye now.